Hello. Hello. Hello.
Some birds are really easy to like. Some can be a bit intimidating. But birds are a lot more like us than we think. They like to be near their friends. They can be really curious. They get demanding when they're hungry. And they like to look innocent when they know they've made a mess. They like to dance. And they'll stand up for themselves. You can tell when they're sick or sad or scared. And it's important to help them because sometimes they can't help themselves. Sometimes they can't just get up and fly away. And once you get to know them, like I have, you'll be so glad you took the time.